So I'm Stephen Crouch. I'm with LumenCache. LumenCache is a pretty interesting company, pretty unique. Easiest way to say is that we're a power distribution platform for low volt devices. And we allow builders to take the Romex wire out of their home and actually replace it with Cat5 wiring. Great thing about that is that you've got now the capacity to not only power low volt devices, but also communicate with those devices and have data flow back and forth. So the advantage there is that you have hardwired connections back to a panel. You have complete flexibility to use whatever control system you want to be able to communicate with these devices inside your home. We're completely open source on both sides, so we work with any devices and we also work with any control systems. So it's trying to bring the power distribution system up to speed with where the components are at the end of the distribution chain.